Hi, my friends. It is your girl, Kimm Brown, and I am here today. We're going to do the pink clay mask. So as you can see, my face is red and it is just really chapped. So the best thing is hydration. Let's hydrate our skin. It'll put the moisture back in that it's lacking, and it will take away this redness and the chapped, or maybe you have some dry spots. I have a lot of customers that say, Kim, what do? I have these dry patches. This is one of them. I'm going to show you a couple more items because my legs are the same way. No matter how many times I put moisturizer on, I always have to exfoliate them. So I have already used my cleanser, washed my face, and now I'm going to put on our mask. I usually use an applicator, but as you can tell, I'm downstairs. So I'm just going to dab this all in, and I'll talk to you about this in a little bit when I'm waiting for it. The ingredients in this, but this right now is a limited edition in our line. It came out right before Christmas. Still available. I still have plenty of them in my inventory. So go ahead. If you're interested and you have dry skin and you want some hydration, send me a quick message or go to my website, log in, register, and tell me, Kim, I want that pink mask. So while we're waiting for this to dry a little bit, let's just talk about the ingredients in this mask. So, I told you it helps hydrate your skin. It also takes away a lot of stress, right? Let's just face the facts that when you are working all day long, whether it's at home or out of the home, stress comes in, right? We don't even look for it. It just happens. So by just sitting down and relaxing and taking some time to yourself, you'd be amazed at how relaxed you can feel. So the ingredients in this is called a plumeria flower extract, and it's known for your soothing properties. Okay. And then it's going to wrap your skin in the velvety, soft texture and luxurious. It's very, very creamy, and it has some peonies, a little bit of tea blossom. It's just actually very, very relaxing. The mineral-rich clay that helps hold this on and keep the moisture in. So cleanse, right? It kind of cleanses your skin. It will help bring back that natural glow, and it'll revive your skin and take away the fatigue that it gets. So after 10 minutes, we're going to rinse it off. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to rinse it. While my skin dries, let's just talk about another form of hydration for the winter, okay? Or even in the summer. It doesn't have to be weather or not. It's just, for me, my skin is drier in the winter and I have to do more for it. My skincare works really well, but in our cold weather and being outside a lot, I do spend a lot of time outside, I have a tendency to get little dry spotches. But the Moisture Renewal Gel. This is a mask also. You can put it on and leave it on and go to bed at night, or you can put it on and then after 10 minutes take it off. So this will you will feel it instantly. It just hydrates, right? And it locks in your moisture. You'll also notice that your skin is more nourished. It looks more healthier. I mean, if you look at it right now, my skin, okay. If you notice right now, my skin just looks really healthy. It's got a really nice glow to it. Really, really nice glow. So this also can be done a couple times a week. And you'll just notice that your skin is firmer. It feels firmer and it's healthier, smoother, and softer. This, the TimeWise Moisture Renewal Gel. So the clay mask that I did for the 10 minutes. So let's talk about double masking, okay? This actually is a great way. So take our Hydrogel Eye Patches, okay? Put one under each eye. They look like a little teardrop, so it's easy to know. The point goes in the middle and then it goes out. And it's going to hydrate all of underneath our eyes. It takes away puffiness. It gives you instant moisture. It's got the power of the glycerin and the powerful humectant, which is known to moisturize the skin. So the Hydrogel Eye Patches, right? This is going to give you a refreshing burst of hydration to awaken your eyes. It takes away the dullness and it takes away puffiness. So you get up in the morning, you put them on, and you walk around for 20 minutes with them on. So if you haven't seen these, they have sparkles in them. They're just beautiful. So put that on first, okay, the Hydrogel Eye Patches, and then you could go ahead and you could put your cream on. Put it on, right? And then together, the two of them hydrate your skin for 20 minutes. So cleanse your face, put on your Hydrogel Eye Patches, put on your Renewal mask, and let your skin soak in that moisture. Okay, so I am going to follow up getting ready with my day cream. I always include my neck, always. My eye cream is downstairs, so is in the other room, so when I get done, I will do that before I put on my makeup. So, ladies, if you enjoyed this and you want to share it with someone you know has the same problem, dryness, dehydration, dull looking skin, hit the notification button, subscribe, and share. Enjoy. All of these products you can get in the link down below. What about my fabulous earrings? My Olivia Hayward earrings. Even that link is down there. I have a promo that'll get you a discount.